You might have heard of the Quen salt rituals, an ancient practice that attracts wealth and prosperity. This practice can be found in various cultures in Africa. Believe that the salt and queens ward away negativity, what is bring in positivity. A lot of people are struggling financially to pay their bills, even to eat. Some too are able to save, but at the end of the day, you don't know what you use your money for. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple but powerful ancient ritual called the Queen's Salt Rituals. These rituals, when you do it properly, is going to cleanse you and it's going to bring in your financial expectation that you want. That ritual is going to bring it. Salt purifies and protects, whilst queens represent energy exchange and wealth. Together, they form a ritual magnetic force to align your spirit life in abundance. Your money disappears. You have financial blockages. Things doesn't work for you. No business, no job. You've been trying your best, but still things doesn't go well for you. This ritual, or this simple, powerful, ancient ritual, is going to elevate you. It's going to bring out the negative energy which is blocking all those things and bringing positivity. So how does this work? You will need some materials. You will need a bowl, can be small. You will need sea salt or rock salt. You will need 7 coins, and you will need candle. It can be white or green. You will say a prayer of intention. After the prayer, you put the salt, you put the bowl down and drop the salt into it. Then you pick the coin and you put it inside the bowl one after the other when you finish putting in the salt. So when you take the first coin, you say your prayer, your intentions, and put it in the bowl one by one. As you are putting it inside, you are saying your wishes and your intentions. Then you begin to visualize that money is flowing through you or is coming to you abundantly. When you are done with the 7 coins, then you light your candle around the bowl. Allow it to burn for at least 7 to 8 minutes. After that, you put the bowl with the coins on your altar or a place where nobody would disturb it for 7 days before you take it from there. So when you do the rituals and you are done, you start visualizing. After the 7 days, when you pick up the items, especially the coins from the bowl, you use it as offering, or you step out and go and buy something with the coin. As you are buying, you say your intentions and your dreams. You can also keep it in your wallet, and money will flow to you abundantly. Our ancestors knew this, so they laid it down for the generations upon generations. The remaining of the salt, put it in use small of it and put it in your water and shower with it. Money will come. It is not only money, but negative things that is blocking your progress, all will be cleared out. You will see a new beginning. You see a new life. Try it and let me know at the comment section if it helps you. I have tried it. That is why I'm giving you the rituals. The truth is, financial struggle can affect every aspect or every area of our life, especially in relationship, and even it can have effects on our mental health. When done with faith and intentions, these rituals can lead to unexpected money coming your way, new job opening, ancestral blessing, positive energy of money coming to you. This is not just a ritual, but it is a new conversation of spirits, or it is our ancestral spirits guiding your path. Try it and let me know at the comment section how it went to you. If you do decide to try it, let me know your experience at the comment section. May your hands never lack. May your wallet always be full. May your heart attract what you always desire. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.